Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the accessibility switch control shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the settings app. In here, we go down and tap on action button. Next, in here, you want to swipe across and locate the accessibility page. In here, tap on the drop-down list. And from the list, go down and tap on switch control. This will assign the switch control shortcut to the action button over here. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, whenever you want to switch on the switch control, just simply press and hold on the action button. And this will allow you to turn on switch control. Press on hold on the button again to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.